An independent inquiry into child sexual abuse, ICSA, in England and Wales was announced by the British Home Secretary, Theresa May, on July 7, 2014. The inquiry was established to examine how the country's institutions handled their duty of care to protect children from sexual abuse. It was set up after investigations in 2012 and 2013 into the Jimmy Savile sexual abuse scandal revealed widespread abuse, including claims of abuse stretching back over decades by prominent media and political figures, and inadequate safeguarding by institutions and organizations responsible for child welfare. Originally, the inquiry was intended to be a panel inquiry supported by experts, similar to the Hillsborough Independent Panel. However, after strenuous objections related to the panel's scope and its independence from those being investigated, and the resignation of its first two intended chairs, the inquiry was reconstituted in February 2015 as a statutory inquiry under the Inquiries Act 2005, giving it greatly increased powers to compel sworn testimony and to examine classified information. The first two chairs appointed to the original panel inquiry were Baroness Butler Sloss, appointed July 8, 2014, stepped down July 14, 2014, and Fiona Wolf, appointed September 5, 2014, stepped down October 31, 2014. The reasons for their withdrawal in both cases were objections related to their perceived closeness to individuals and establishments which would be investigated. There were also objections related to survivor testimony, the scope of inquiry, and the ability to compel witnesses to testify. In December 2014 it was reported that Theresa May was reconsidering arrangements for the inquiry. On February 4, 2015, May announced that the inquiry would be chaired by Dame Lowell Goddard QC, a New Zealand High Court judge who had no ties to the UK bodies and persons likely to be investigated. The existing panel was disbanded, and the inquiry was given new powers as a statutory inquiry. The statutory inquiry opened on July 9, 2015, with an introductory statement by Justice Goddard. In November 2015, she announced that 12 separate investigations would take place as part of the inquiry, including investigations into MPs, local councils, and church organizations.